Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome here if you're new. My name's Vanessa. I'll be posting a new video every week, so please subscribe so you don't miss any. Today I just wanted to film a haul on some things I recently picked up from Sephora. So the first thing I got is this Stila Eye for Elegance liquid eyeshadow set. So here it is here, and I find the picture online really doesn't do it justice. I almost didn't get it because it looked online like all the pictures or all the colors were similar, but they're not at all. Like you have some champagnes, a dark brown, and then you have some shimmery champagnes, a more neutral, a more pink one, and this one's almost like a burgundy shimmer. I've been wanting to try these forever, but I just never did, and I figured why not try this gift set, I guess, so you could try so many colors in one. So I'll let you know what I think about them. Maybe I'll film a look with them or something because they're so pretty. And then I also got another set of these Tarte brushes. They are the Goal Getters Contour Brush Set. So here they are here. I have another holiday set of the Tarte brushes and I've been using them almost every day. They're such good quality, so I figured I'd pick up another one. And then I got this Laneige lip sleeping mask. It's supposed to be really hydrating, like a lip mask that you leave on at night to hydrate your lips. Mine have been so dry in the winter, so I wanted to give this a try. And then I got some samples. I got the Juice Beauty sample. It is the anti-wrinkle moisturizer and the fresh sugar perfume and the, I don't know how to say this brand's name, but Atelier Cologne Vanilla Incense Cologne. It's just a perfume sample. And then I also got a mini of the Glam Glow Firming Treatment and also the Galactic Cleanse. And what is this little one? And the little mini of the Matte Glow Moisturizer from Glam Glow 2. So I'm excited to try that because I've tried a lot of their masks and I like them a lot. And then I got the rest of the stuff that I got. I've been trying to get forever, but every time I log on to Sephora and go to add it to my cart, it's sold out already. So it's stuff by The Ordinary. So this is The Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toner. Looks like this, and it comes with a pump. So I'm excited to try that because I've just been hearing a lot of good things about The Ordinary, and they have really good reviews, and they're like super affordable. Like I think everything on their Sephora site is like under $15, so that's pretty good. And then I got this The Ordinary Alpha Butan Serum. This is supposed to be good for removing sunspots, so I thought I'd give it a try. I also got the Grande Active Retinoid 2% Emulsion, which is just like a retinol. And I've recently been using a different retinol for my skin, and I find retinols really made a difference, like in the fine lines that I had. So I'm excited to try this one. And then I also got the Salicylic Acid 2% Solution. This is just good for acne breakouts. Any acne or blemish prone skin, it says. I've been getting breakouts on my chin. I don't know why, so I just thought I'd try putting this on and just see if it helps. And that was everything I got from my Sephora haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Just let me know below what you want to see in a future video or what you want to review on. Comment below what are some of your favorite products from Sephora that you've picked up recently. And don't forget to subscribe and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.